Hey all, this is a quick video for this little single serve coffee maker. So if you ever travel and are in hotel rooms or things like this, it's basically the same type of basic mini convenient coffee maker that you would get there. So in the back, you just put in a cup of water, close that up, and then in the front, you would open this up here and you'd either put one of these two cups in. This one is if you're putting grinds in. So if you're making your own coffee, putting your own coffee grinds in, you would open that lid, put it in there, put this in here. Or if you're using a typical K-cup, you just plop that in here like so. You notice you have the piercing thing here on the top of the lid right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. And then underneath in here, that's what it looks like underneath there. So you just put that in. Make sure you put it horizontal here. Close that down, press start button, and you're good to go. The power cord is a short power cord. It's, I guess, about 2 feet long, so you want to have it close to a power outlet wherever you use this. So overall, again, it's an economical single-use coffee maker. Nothing special about it, but it is as described. So I'll give it a 4 out of 5. I'm certain it'll make a coffee like it should, especially if you're just using K-cups. So hopefully this helps.